4. Find particular solution of the following differential equations using the given boundary conditions. For the a part, we have this, the y dx is equal to sin x cos square x. And then the boundary condition is y is equal to 0, x is pi over 3. So let's see solution to the first one. So for the first one, for this one, so the first thing we do, we have the y dx there, and the function here is what? It's purely what? It's purely x. Okay? So, and that will be the y equal to sin x cos square x dx. So the variable has been separated now. So what we do, we're going to use change of what? Change of variable. Okay? Which we call substitutions. Let u be equal to cos x. So the u, the x, will be equal to what? Minus what? Minus sin x. The u dx is what? Is minus minus sin x. Can we make the x the subject? That will be minus the u about sin x. Okay? So go back to this place, the y equal to sin x cos x is u. So that will be u times u squared times minus the u over sin x. So sin x will cancel. Okay? Then you can introduce your integration sign to both sides. And that will be equal to what? This will be equal to y equal to, if you integrate the y, you get 1. So this will be equal to, this will be equal to, don't forget the minus here, so that will be minus, integrate u squared, that will be u3, 2 plus 1 over 3, plus what? Plus c. Okay? So let's return the u back. U is what? U is equal to cos x, so that will be minus cos cube x over 3 plus c. And when you have the boundary condition, you substitute those values. Y is what? Y is 0 equal to minus cos cube pi over 3 all over 3, okay, plus c. That's equal to 0 equal to minus cos pi over 3 is 1 over 2. So 2 power 3 over 3 plus c. And that will be 1 over 8. That will be 1 over 8. So that will give me minus 1 over 8 divided by 3. So that's 1 over 24 plus c. So c is what? 1 over 24. Okay? So you just come back here and substitute your value. So this is equal to what? Minus cos cube x over 3 plus 1 over 24. Yeah, for the b part, we have the y dx equal to sec square x, sec square y. And we have the boundary condition, y is equal to 0, x is pi over 4. So let's separate the variable. This is first order differential equation. So we're going to have 1 over sec square y dy equal to what? Sec square x dx. Integrate both sides. And don't forget that sec square y is 1 over what? 1 over cos square y. So the moment you reciprocate this one, you take the inverse of this, so it's going to give you cos square y. Integrate it dy. And then this one, integral over sec square. So there is no table for this. We are going to use this identity. Cos 2y is equal to 2 cos square y minus 1. So we can make this one the subject. So if you do that, we're going to have integral of 1 over 2 into bracket 1 plus cos 2y dy equal to what? Integral of this is what? Is tan x plus what? C. Okay, let's get this one. So this will be half. This will be an integral of 1. This is y plus integral of this, that will be sine 2y over 2 equal to tan what? Tan x plus c. So you can open these brackets. If you open the brackets, you're going to have 1 over 2 y plus 1 over 4 sine 2y equals what? Tan x plus c. So let's substitute the boundary condition we have, the boundary condition that we have here. So y is 0, so this becomes 0 plus sine 0 also, this also becomes 0 equal to tan pi over 4, tan pi over 4, which is 1 plus what? Plus c. So c is what? C is minus 1. So you just come back here and plug in your answer. Either you come back here, okay, or you come here and substitute. So the final answer will just be 1 over 2 y plus 1 over 4 sine 2y equal to tan x minus 1. And that finished that part. The c part, we have this dy dx equal to 2 cos square y plus square x. And we have the boundary condition, y is equal to pi over 4, s equal to 0. So what do we do now? Let's quickly separate the variable, because this is a first order differential equation, and it involves x and y. So let's move this one from here. So that will be 1 over cos square y and dy equal to 2 cos square x dx. So integrate both sides. So this will give us what? Integral of what? Sec square y dy equal to, this one will be integral of 2 times 1 over 2. This one is an identity, which is 1 over 2, 1 plus cos 2x, okay, dx. So we have that. So if you integrate this, you're going to have tan what? Tan y equal to, this one we cancel, that one we cancel, then we have integral of this, that's x plus sine 2x, integral of cos is sine, then you divide by what? Attachment to the variable, over 2 plus what? Plus c. So the next thing to do now is to plug in the initial condition, the boundary condition. So tan pi over 4, that's 1, x is 0, and this also becomes 0. So plus what? So c is what? C is 1. Okay? So the next thing to do is just come back to this place. Tan x equal to x plus 1 over 2 sine 2x plus what? Plus 1. Okay? The boundary condition is just for us to get the constant of integration, to get the c. And that's that on this